Hi, so this is what I did for my APS. So the first thing I do is I go right into Office 365, and once it opens, I go into OneDrive. Now I use OneDrive all the time. It's where I house my files now. So when I'm in OneDrive, you can see that I have folders for all the different things I work on. So I created a folder for APS, and you can just do new, and then you can then after you do that you can create a folder. And so then in my APS I have folders for all the years, so I created one for 2019. And what I did was I had already uploaded all of my evidence, and if I want to share evidence, what I'll do is I'll click on the link to share, but I will change this and not allow editing because I don't want anyone, it's essentially making it a PDF. And then I can just copy the link. So this is the link that I've copied. Now if I go into my APS here that I'm working on, I could just simply highlight a word, and then I'm going to go into Insert and Link, and I would paste the link right there, and I would click on Insert. I'm not going to actually do it, but then it would be in there. So you can see down here, for example, I have this is my teaching, and so I'll have my evidence here. So what happens is if I click on it, a new screen over here opens up so that Rachel and Bill can see the evidence. This happens to be my student evaluations for a class I was teaching. And so that's it. So I just do this for the, it's not finished, but this is what I do. I just do it for the entire APS. But remember that I've already created in OneDrive a folder for 2019, and I've already uploaded all of this evidence, and I have my APS. This is my APS right there. So I'm doing everything within OneDrive.